Alright guys, I showed you this spot yesterday. New set. Got a nutria. Nothing in that one. Nothing up there. Kind of a slow day. We've got raccoon and 2 beaver in the truck. Our beaver jobs are kind of getting wiped out. We got another big farm we're going to get ready to go look at. We're going to do a pull and a 10-day move and bust our ass, see what we can catch before the 20th. We're going to head home on the 20th. On to the next. All right, guys. You can see that little trail right there. There's number 11 there. Number 11 on that end. Dale and I both took off out of the truck. Forgot to put a driver in the side-by-side. This is why I used the Berkshires. This is what I'm putting our anchors in with. Stabilizer. Easy, quick, simple. I don't like having to have a special tool to put something in. Like I said, I can put these in with a tire iron. On to the next. Alright guys, kind of a slow morning. We got 3 beaver and a nutria. Dale's over there unhooking all his extension cables. He had one that got in a culvert on 10 foot of cable, and we had to jerry rig something to winch him out the other side, and on to the next. All right guys, got us a little flat tail. On to the next. All right guys, got us a little beaver and a number 11. Man, them things are strong. We got Timber here trying to slip her collar. We don't let her out on live beaver. On to the next. All right, guys, got another raccoon. On to the next. Rough old ride with Dale driving. All right, got us another raccoon and a conibear. On to the next. All right, got another one. On to the next. All right, guys, we got a raccoon just coming up this little crossover trail, going over to the Palmetto Timbers. On to the next. All right, guys, we got an otter crossover there. They've been all over up here. Got another one right there. They was down it last night. This one's used really heavy. Look at all the scat, puke. Don't step in the anthill. Cross over there, cross over here. On to the next, guys. We're on a new farm. Hopefully it continues like that. All right, guys, we ended up with 7 beaver, an otter, a nutria, and 4 raccoon today. Let me flip this one. We're setting another pretty good sized farm. We just went around the little edge of it today. Found quite a bit of good stuff. Hopefully it continues. Saw a huge dead gator floating in the bayou, probably 9-10 foot. Like to thank you all for watching, staying tuned. Hope you enjoy our little adventures. I didn't video the end yesterday. We ended up with 5 beaver, I don't know, like 6-7 raccoons, 4 nutrias. I don't know. It was a pretty good day yesterday and not a bad day today. We finished up them other beaver jobs. They sat 2 days empty, so we pulled everything, went to a new farm. On to the next.